Good day, viewers. Do yourselves a favor and watch this video through to the end to fully capture the essence and utility of what we're discussing today. Today, we're introducing TubeTrivia AI, a cutting-edge tool that's transforming digital marketing. This software leverages innovative AI technology to create engaging viral quiz videos. Perfect for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, it's designed to boost your traffic and engagement significantly. For those eager to learn more, stay tuned as we dive deeper into how TubeTrivia AI can revolutionize your content creation process. Now, let's unfold the core features of TubeTrivia AI that stand out in the competitive market. Firstly, the heart of TubeTrivia AI lies in its ability to generate quiz videos powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just about random questions. It's about creating engaging, thought-provoking content that captures attention and encourages interaction. Whether you're looking to quiz your audience on pop culture, history, or science, the AI effortlessly tailors content to suit your audience's preferences. Moving on, customization is key in maintaining brand identity, and TubeTrivia AI understands this well. The platform offers a variety of customizable templates that not only make your videos look professional but also feel like an extension of your brand. This means you can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to align perfectly with your business's aesthetics, ensuring that each video feels uniquely yours. Additionally, the AI doesn't stop at quizzes. It extends its capabilities to generating images and crafting voiceovers that enhance the overall viewer experience. These features are designed to keep your content dynamic and engaging, making it more likely that viewers will stick around and even share your videos. Imagine the dynamic content you could create with these features. Intrigued? Check out more details through the link provided. For our social media savvy viewers, here's how TubeTrivia AI specifically benefits marketers. Imagine the impact of consistently high traffic on your social media channels. With TubeTrivia AI, harnessing the power of platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok becomes not just possible, but predictable. The tool's engaging quiz formats are designed to captivate audiences, ensuring that every post not only reaches but resonates with a wider audience, driving up your views and follower engagement substantially. Now, let's talk conversions and profits, everyone's favorite subjects. Quiz videos created with TubeTrivia AI have a unique charm. They encourage viewer interaction, which significantly boosts the likelihood of conversions. This interaction isn't just about having fun, it's a strategic move to turn viewers into customers, enhancing your profit margins dramatically. Moreover, the inclusion of a commercial license and access to exclusive training webinars with your subscription opens new doors. These features allow you to expand your business and refine your marketing skills, ensuring you stay ahead in the fast-evolving digital landscape. Leveraging these benefits could truly transform your social media strategy. Curious for more? The link is waiting for you. Let's look at some inspiring success stories and practical applications of TubeTrivia AI. Imagine a small online boutique specializing in vintage clothes. After incorporating TubeTrivia AI into their marketing strategy, they witnessed a threefold increase in their social media engagement. Their interactive quiz titled "Which Vintage Era is Your Style?" not only captivated their audience, but also significantly boosted their sales. Then there's the case of a health and wellness coach who used TubeTrivia AI to create personalized fitness challenges. These quizzes not only helped her audience engage more deeply with her content, but also led to a 50% increase in her webinar signups, proving the power of interactive content. In the educational sector, a language learning app deployed TubeTrivia AI to create daily language quizzes on social media. This approach resulted in a notable increase in app downloads and active daily users, showing how gamification can effectively enhance learning and retention. Feeling inspired? These success stories are just the beginning. Explore how you can create your own success story by visiting the link mentioned. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key takeaways from today's discussion. TubeTrivia AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in creating engaging quiz videos. With features like customizable templates, AI-generated images, and professional voiceovers, it's designed to skyrocket your engagement on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Now, don't just take our word for it. Click on the link below and see for yourself the wonders of TubeTrivia AI. Embrace the potential to increase your traffic, conversions, and profits. Thank you for watching. Remember, the future of video content is just a click away.